Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be running through my January interior favourites, like what I'm loving at the minute, and yeah. So the way this video is going to go is I have pictures here on my iPad and I'm going to talk about them once I find on Pinterest, and as I'm talking about them I'm going to put them up on the screen here, so you can look at them as well whilst I'm looking at them. But basically I'm doing this is because I get asked all the time, like in person when I'm just out and about, what do you think of this colour, or what colours do you like now, what colours should I introduce to this room, what furniture do you like, what's trendy now, so I done some research. I scoured the internet for stuff that trends and stuff that I like. Now there's a few that I just have to mention that have to go. Grey, it's overdone. We need new grey. Some people love grey because especially in Ireland, because every house you'd walk into would have magnolia and beige, just boring, and brown, beige and brown used to be the colours that everyone used to go for. And then grey came along and then everyone started using grey because it was safe. But now it's overdone. You see it all over Instagram, all over Pinterest, all of that. So I'm going to here talk to you about my favourites, furniture wise and also colour wise. So let me get into this. First of all, I just want to talk about Wicker. I am obsessed with Wicker at the minute. You can get baskets, headboards, furniture. It's amazing. It is affordable, rustic, it's cozy, it's homey and it's warm. You can introduce Wicker in small doses, or you could go but I wouldn't go all out with it because it's kind of just add a bit more texture and warmth to your space. I really like it, so I love Wicker, and you can get it in all different colours, like white. You can paint it any colour you want. Yeah, but I love it. So I just want to talk about that. And then accessories. I really love it, chunky accessories, not dainty little delicate ones. I like that. I can't do that at the minute, because I feel like when you have something that's real, sturdy looking, it gives you an ease of mind. It helps you kind of relax, because you're not oh, that could break, don't break that, just be careful with that. When it's something chunky and sturdy, you kind of have an ease of mind that okay, if it falls, it won't break as easily. So you can find this in candle holders, clocks, bowls, fruit bowls, decorative bowls, and you can even get vases, flower vases, and I love these. But the best thing about it is it looks expensive, and you can get them for really affordable prices. I know Pennies do some of them, Dunn's in the furniture section, they do loads of them. And then if you want to kind of get a bit more, you can go into TK Maxx. They do loads of the chunky accessories. I've seen it really a lot recently, and I just love it. And even candles, oversized stuff. I just love oversized, and it looks really nice. But yeah, that's just all I want to say for chunky accessories. I absolutely love them. And then moving on from chunky accessories, I want to go into kind of chunky furniture, tables, wooden tables, the farmyard kind of style, really organic, rustic, homely, just the juxtaposition of that raw kind of organic wood against an upholstered velvet or silk chair. It's just really it's so harmonious, it's gorgeous. So I like that, and then it also adds more texture and character and warmth into a space, which kind of ties in with the Wicker basket. So if you didn't want to go shelling out a few hundred or a couple of thousand for a new table, you could just get a €20 Wicker basket. Kind of does the kind of same kind of idea, just with less impact. But yeah, so. And then moving on from the vases, I want to talk about flower arrangements. I am obsessed with flower arrangements, roses and just stunning different kinds. You literally they're so personal, I feel, flower arrangements. you can literally complete a room with one, because you could have a flower, like flowers with like the colour scheme that you went with originally, or you could like see a flower arrangement that you liked. It could be out of like, you know, silk flowers, so you could get that and then build the room around that one piece, and all ties together beautifully. And it's also like very calming and relaxing, like, you know, having flowers, like real flowers, because there's something about like, cause like just like this ease of mind, like that's what you see in spas and stuff. There's always like loads of greenery and plants and floral arrangements and stuff, because it's very like calming, and it's very luxurious as well, so it makes you feel kind of a bit posh. And even though some like flower arrangements, like, you know, if you get something you want for you, it can be expensive, but it's easy to yourself. Just get a nice vase, the flowers of your choice, like get more than you need rather than less than you need, because then you can use the extra for like decorative purposes. But yeah, you can have like, and you can get them vibrant, like a real vibrant floral arrangement, or you can have like a very monochrome, kind of all white or all blue or all red, like, you know, it can be so like personal what you really like. So that's why I love them. And then now I also want to talk about decorative trays, like, you know, you see on the coffee tables and there's like a tray. Maybe I should move over a bit more this way so if the pictures are here. But yeah, you can get decorative trays and stuff, like I love that. Especially with a mirrored bottom, and then like, you know, the kind of traditional kind of like a fence around it. And then you have your candles and your plant and your like little like decorative books and stuff, like just is really neat. And it's kind of like, it's, sorry, my camera just cut out there. As I was saying, it all comes back to like being zen and like calm and just relax in your space. So that's why I really love the trays. They just kind of make everything look real neat and like they're supposed to be there. But yeah, I really love that, and I especially love the one, I don't know if it's already been shown, but the one with this like silver accents in it. I think it's really nice. But yeah, and now colours I'm really loving is purple, like shades of purple, like violet and stuff. I'll kind of like put a picture here. And then I love antique white as well. It's like white, but it's more of a warm toned white, because I feel like white can be a very cold colour. Depends on what you're going for, but a lot of clients I talk to, they always like, you know, the warmer tones. So kind of antique white is kind of a way to kind of gradually pull them out of that mind space that it's just warm tones. Warm tones make it cozy, because it's not like it's all to texture, lighting, like there's so much more that goes into making a room feel warm and cozy than just a colour. So that's why I love that. And then I also am loving monochromatic interiors, where it's all kind of the one kind of shade, if you know what I mean, like so like all purple shade, or like all blush, like, you know, that kind of like pinky white and stuff like that. I just really love that at the minute. Even just like all kind of greys and stuff like that's very like moody, kind of like dramatic, and then maybe with some like pops of colour and stuff. I really love that at the minute. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I know it might be short, but I just wanted to kind of ease you into this kind of new kind of thing I'm going to start doing, which is I'm going to just like every month, because, you know, my taste changes all the time. I'll probably look back at this video in like a year's time, like what were you thinking? But yeah, well, trends come and go, and I wouldn't get too excited to go buy something because it's trendy now. I'd wait like a couple of weeks and see if it still is, or just don't get anything that you don't like. Stay with your own taste, stay original, don't stay in the box, go outside the box, because whilst everyone else is painting their houses grey, you could be painting your house, I don't know, pink. You could set a new trend. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks again for watching. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you would like to see more of these videos, and hit the subscribe button because I'm uploading every second day. Yes, it can be hard sometimes, but because I have college and all that going on at the minute as well, but I'm just getting so like, I'm just getting so much entertainment out of it, and like just like I just feel like so like, you know, happy doing it. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then let me know in the comments if you agree with these, if you like I like, if you have the same taste, or any ideas what you're liking at the minute. Let me know what you're liking at the minute, interior wise or fashion wise. I do like to hear. If you'd like to hear like a fashion version of this video, do let me know as well. And thanks again for watching. Bye.